Imagine yourself standing on Earth millions of years ago. The ground shakes with every step of the giant creatures roaming around you. Have you ever wondered what these incredible animals ate to grow so enormous and powerful? It's a fascinating question. Some dinosaurs were fearsome hunters with teeth as sharp as knives, while others were gentle giants, peacefully munching on plants all day long. What they ate was the key to their survival, deciding who thrived and who vanished from the face of the planet. What's really cool is that dinosaurs didn't all share the same menu. Their meals were as varied as their shapes and sizes, creating a complex and balanced prehistoric world. Even though they lived long before us, they followed the same fundamental rule of nature we see today. What you eat defines how you live. From the towering long-necked giants to the fast and deadly predators, every species had its own special way of finding and eating food, all based on its unique body, teeth, and environment. So today, let's journey back in time to uncover the secrets of the dinosaur dinner plate. We'll explore what they really ate, how their diets worked, and how scientists unlocked this information from ancient fossils, giving us a vivid picture of life in the age of the dinosaurs. So let's dive into the specifics. Dinosaurs had incredibly diverse diets, and figuring out what they ate helps us understand how they managed to dominate the Earth for millions of years. A huge number of dinosaurs were herbivores, meaning they only ate plants. Think of the massive Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus. They used their incredibly long necks like cranes to reach the tops of tall trees, feeding on leaves that other dinosaurs couldn't get to. Then you have dinosaurs like Triceratops and Stegosaurus who stayed closer to the ground, munching on ferns, bushes, and other low-growing plants. Their teeth weren't sharp and pointy. Instead, they were wide and flat, perfectly designed for grinding up tough leaves and stems. Their enormous bodies were essentially giant digestive vats, slowly breaking down massive quantities of plant matter. But of course, not all dinosaurs were peaceful plant eaters. On the other side of the menu were the carnivore skilled meat eaters and powerful predators. The most famous of them all, Tyrannosaurus rex, had sharp, dagger-like teeth and jaw muscles so strong they could crush bone. Some carnivorous dinosaurs, like the clever velociraptor, probably hunted in packs to take down larger prey. Others might have been scavengers, cleaning up the leftovers by feeding on animals that were already dead. It was a tough world, and you had to be smart to get your next meal. And it doesn't stop there. There were also omnivorous dinosaurs. These were the ultimate survivors, eating both plants and small animals. This flexible diet gave them a huge advantage, especially when one type of food became hard to find. They could switch between munching on fruits and hunting small lizards or insects. This adaptability helped them survive in environments where other, more specialized dinosaurs might have struggled. Now you might be wondering, how do we know all of this? Scientists are like detectives of the past. They learn about dinosaur diets by studying fossils. The shape of a dinosaur's teeth is a huge clue. Sharp, serrated teeth mean meat eater, while flat, grinding teeth point to a plant-based diet. They also look for bite marks on fossilized bones, which can tell them who was eating whom. In some rare and amazing cases, they even find fossilized stomach contents, which is like finding a dinosaur's last meal, perfectly preserved for millions of years. By piecing together all these clues, scientists can reconstruct ancient food webs and understand how these incredible animals lived and ate. In the end, dinosaurs weren't just mindless monsters. They were highly adapted animals, each with a diet perfectly suited to its lifestyle. By learning what dinosaurs ate, we get a much deeper appreciation for how ancient ecosystems functioned and how life on our planet has evolved over time. It is a powerful reminder that even the mightiest creatures that ever walked the earth depended on the food around them to survive, a rule that's just as true today as it was millions of years ago. Thanks for joining me on this prehistoric food tour. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.